Okay, so for today's opener, on the front side, we are given the slope-intercept form. We need to identify the slope and the y-intercept, and then we're going to graph it. Since slope is represented by m, and the m equals, we're going to fill in the slope. So slope is the number multiplied by x, and because because 2/3 is connected to x, then m equals 2/3. And the y-intercept is the number by itself, which is -3. So now we have our y-intercept. I'm going to plot on -3, so I'm going to start at the origin, and I'm going to go straight down 3. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So then from here, now I know my slope as well, so I'm going to do the rise over run, which is 2/3. So I'm going to start with my plotted point, and I'm going to go up 2 from the plotted point, and then over 3. We know that, before plotting the points, we know that the slope is going to be positive because the slope, 2/3, doesn't have a negative sign in front of it, so the line is going to be going up from the left to the right. So after I have 2 points, I'm going to draw my line with my straight edge all the way across the coordinate plane, and I'm going to draw my arrows on there. And we're going to flip over to the back side, and on this side, this is what we went over on Monday, I think, when we are given the line, and then we have to come up with the equation. So for this, we're going to need to figure out where the y-intercept is, which again is where the line crosses the y-axis. So the red line crosses the y-axis, which is the vertical axis, right here, which is +3. So b, or the y-intercept, equals 3, and then I need to find another lattice point. I'm going to use this one right here because it's nice and close, and going left to right, I'm going up, so I'm not going to have a negative slope or anything. So if I'm starting with my leftmost lattice point, which is on the the y-intercept, I'm going to go do my rise over run. So up 2 and over 3. So my slope, I went up 2 over 3. That's the same as the other side, but this time our y-intercept is a +3 instead of a -3. So now that I have my m and my b, and we know that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, all we have to do now is plug in the m and b values into that equation. So we have our y equals written for us already. Now I need to plug in the m, which is 2/3, and I'm going to write the x plus b, which is 3. And that's it.